Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete a W-4P form in a simple and easy way. So this form is used so the correct amount of federal tax is taken from your periodic pension or annuity payments. Filling it out properly helps you avoid owing money later or having too much tax withheld. So first, in step 1, enter your personal details. Write your full name, social security number, home address, zip code, and choose your filing status. Make sure everything matches your official records. Next is step 2. If you have income from another job, write that amount in section 1. In section 2, enter income from other pensions or annuities. If you're married and your spouse also has income or a pension, include those amounts too. Add everything together and write the total in the space provided. So this helps calculate the right withholding amount. For step 3, claim any dependents or other credits. Only complete this step if step 2 section 1 is blank, meaning you don't have other job income. Follow the instructions and enter the total credit amount clearly. Step 4 is optional. Use this only if you want extra tax withheld or if you want to claim deductions or other adjustments. And finally, sign and date the form. Once signed, submit it to the payer of your pension or annuity. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.